Remember that white woman, yeah? She come from Canada, Ontario. And she go Jamaica married a youth, yeah, entertainer, Miss Reed. And then she kill him, she order him for dead. And she did get charged with a certain charge. But couple things stick out to me with that case. As you know, countryman and Jamaica first, country first. We now go shy away from certain cases and we are going to break it down and analyze it and give my views. But with a white woman you're there, you understand? Let's go. Good day my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe and click on the other video. Give me 100 million like on this. But yo, remember that white girl, yeah? Well, me not gonna call her a girl. A woman, she a 56 from Canada. And them find a youth, yeah, dead, a little thing go down. Yo, may I play the clip for remind you now. Listen to this.
His wife, who according to a highly placed police source had repeatedly threatened him, was subsequently arrested. She was last week charged with soliciting to commit murder. The accused is expected to make her appearance in court later this week. During a recent press conference at the office of the Commissioner of Police, head of the CIB Assistant Commissioner of Police Elon Powell expressed that there is an increase in the number of contract killings across Jamaica. Reports are that on the night of Wednesday, August 24th, around 10 p.m. the young entertainer was at his home in the company of two friends when they were pounced upon by two unknown assailants, armed with handguns. The attackers then tied up the occupants of the house before shooting Reed multiple times.
Now, like me say, a couple little things stick out to me. The youth here, he married her, and them now get along, and I guess she contract some people for go for the man on the year what happened to him. My thing is, what happened to this case? How come we don't hear anything about this? And there is another thing. How come she is charged with conspiracy to murder and not murder? And the only way we can explain this is that there is certain evidence that link her to the killing. And let me explain to you how. The police might get a tip, say she a threaten him, and then they might get her phone or have a witness who know say yo she contact certain people. Now the man them will do the thing and do the killing. The police can't find them, but the police probably get her phone, which in her phone see her text certain people and say yo go get him. Him dead, so now I do him video, in music video, and that's how she is linked to the crime. But like I said, me not hear nothing more about this. This happened in August 2016. I mean, not hear nothing. Him father is distraught. So would I like to know what's going on with this case. Now, me I go wrap up the video. But before me wrap up that video, yeah, I want to leave some comment and tell me what you think about this thing, yeah. And I want to check out the video them on the Trinidad, because Trinidad are going bad enough. Them really are going bad. Now, before me leave, there is one more thing me notice. Her picture on the case is not mentioned in any Canadian newspaper or any foreign newspaper. And it's mentioned in Jamaica. And I think Luke News is the one who first get her picture. Luke News is the one who first get her picture. You understand? And respect to Luke News for doing a good job. But this lady, her case is not on no foreign news, Canadian news website. Don't ask me, I can't tell. This one sound like the joke with Maggie. where the pastor have him wife and him daughter. And him daughter, pardon my language, fucky. And him brethren, church brother, deacon, say, yo pastor, I know how you can solve the problem, you know. By attacking Parrot and leave the Parrot for watch Maggie, your daughter. And if no man or nothing come, the Parrot to tell you. So the pastor say, yeah man, brilliant idea, man, him wife, so them buy a Parrot. When the pastor and him wife go to church, Maggie man come and knock the window. So Maggie take off her baggie and put over the Parrot cage. Now our little man come in and them do them thing. The next morning at breakfast, the pastor asked the Parrot, say, did anybody come? Did you see anybody come in the house or come to Maggie? The Parrot say, it's a talking Parrot now. Tell the pastor, I don't know, I can't tell. All I know that Maggie baggy stink na hell. And that's how this case is. You understand? Yo, we need to know what's going on with this white woman. And the youth here. Talented youth. And she come to Jamaica with her overzealous self and her controlling self and kill off the youth. And it seems like the man them are the people them who do the killing get way. But the police then catch her phone or get a witness where can vouch say she set it up. You understand? So that's why. But she should have been charged for the murder also. You understand? My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification button. But more I know what happened to that white woman here and what happened to that case here. Straight up.